but Kat Von D just came out with a new foundation, and Jhené Aiko is the face of it. She's so pretty. So it's called True Portrait Lightweight Medium Coverage Foundation. I usually go for full coverage, well, medium to full coverage. It says that it's medium coverage, but it says lightweight, and usually to me that means that it's gonna be like oily or fresh, like a natural finish, and I have very oily skin, so that kind of scares me. But the packaging looks so beautiful. I'm so excited to try it. It says ideal for normal to oily skin, so that's another reason why we're trying this. Number 1, moisturize before you apply so skin is hydrated and smooth. Shake very well to ensure the formula is fully mixed. If it looks watery, you gotta shake it some more. Squeeze to dispense a small drop and blend with fingers. Tip, a little goes a long way. So I'm probably gonna use a sponge, not my fingers, because I feel a little gross using my fingers, I don't know why. So I'm gonna get a moisturizer and I'll be right back. So I'm using the Murad Oil Control Mattifier SPF 15. It's nighttime, so I don't really need the SPF, but I just put a little bit. This is the moisturizer that I use on a daily basis, and it says to moisturize, so that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I haven't filmed a video in a very long time. I actually lost my camera battery. I left it in the hotel bathroom when I was staying in Sarasota, and I left the battery and the battery charger like plugged in the bathroom. So I haven't filmed a video in a while, and I feel sad about it. Like, I'm really excited to film today, but I just got really sad because I do have some new products and I haven't even touched them because I wanted to film it. So that's what we're doing. All right, so now that I have that on, I'm going to show you guys the foundation. I have 3 different shades, so we're gonna figure out what shade I am, but I want to show you guys the packaging first. Shh. Okay, so you can actually hear it, like it feels very, very watery. Also in the middle, that part you can actually squeeze, so that's what it says in the directions. To shake it very well and squeeze to dispense a small drop and blend with fingers. So you just squeeze the little middle part. It's very, very pretty. I love the packaging. Colors I have are medium 042, medium 051, and medium 036. Maybe I'll be 042. Let's try it on our neck maybe. Hold up. Okay, so they look super light on my chest right now, but obviously I have a tan at the moment. So I think I'm just gonna go with the darkest color, which is this one. You can't really tell the difference, but it's this one. I think it has like more golden undertones, so I'd rather use that. And yeah, let's take this off. As for the consistency, it feels very oily to me, like how it said that it was gonna be moisturizing. I can understand why, and it's very, very watery. Let me show you my hand. Just squeeze a little bit. Can you guys smell it right now? So it's not dripping or anything, but let me see. It's very luminous. It's not like drying quickly like the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It just looks very moisturizing. It looks kind of, I guess, light to medium coverage. I'm gonna try it out now, but on my hand it feels very moisturizing. It almost, once you blend it out, it almost feels like a powdery finish, which is so crazy because it felt so oily in the beginning. All right, let's try it. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with my sponge, and if that doesn't work out well, then I guess I'll do it with my fingers like they suggested. I just would rather use a sponge. And this is 051. You can't really see the difference in the little circle, but I don't know. I think I should go with the darker one because of my tan. And also, I really like how tiny this packaging is, like how slender it is, because when I'm trying to fit it into a makeup bag, usually my foundation is like the bulkiest thing. And now this will fit really easily. So hopefully this goes well with my very oily skin. Actually, I should probably shake it first. You can hear it. They said a little goes a long way. I put a little dot. It's actually kind of a lot. I'm using a Morphe sponge, by the way. It's my first time using this shape. I've used the Jeffree Star and Morphe one before. Kind of feels a little bit hard when I'm blending it out. I like the Jeffree Star one a lot better. The pink one. It's not feeling oily at all. It's starting to feel like that powder finish, like how I told you before, which I dig that because I live in Miami, so I really need matte foundation. It's very humid here. Seems like it goes pretty well with my neck. Very different from my chest, but it goes pretty well with my neck color. And I can tell it's definitely like what they said, medium coverage for sure, because it took away all my redness. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so you can see kind of my skin without anything, and then this is the side that has foundation on it. It's really crazy, but I haven't powdered it at all, and it feels like I did. I guess with double wear, I wear that the most. It does feel mattifying, but I can still feel it kind of sticky, I guess because of my skin type. And even though I'm pretty oily, like, it looks like I just powdered my face, so far so good. I really like it. I also wanted to mention, I know it looks kind of small, but it's actually 1 fluid ounce like most foundations. So just so you know, because I just assumed it probably didn't have the same amount, but it does. So this is one side with foundation, and this side has nothing except for my Murad moisturizer. I think I could probably go a shade darker, but with bronzer I'm sure it'll look fine. But yeah, I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. So I just put concealer on my under eyes and my eyelids. I obviously finished the foundation on this side of my face. I still haven't powdered my actual face. I've just powdered under my eyes and my eyelids. I can see now in the camera like my face looks very white. So yeah, definitely need to get a darker shade, I guess, to match my tan, but this would probably be my shade for my natural skin tone. I think I'm gonna bake my nose because that's what I usually do in my makeup routine. So I'm gonna put some powder. I just want to do my makeup the way I normally do it, just to see how it performs with my normal routine. I might go out today, so hopefully we'll be able to tell if the foundation holds up in Miami's humidity, because a lot of foundations really don't. So I'm going to do some check-ins once I'm done with my makeup. Probably do like a check-in when I get home from going out, and I can show you my skin. I'm not gonna blot, I'm not gonna try to like mattify it at all. I just wanna see how it looks like in this lighting or in my bathroom lighting, and see if it has a lot of a sheen on my nose, because that's where I get the most oily. So the coverage is really good. I honestly don't think I would need any more than that. I do have some pimples and some texture, but that usually shows with every foundation. I have no redness, like none. It covered it right away. I'm gonna use this Sugar Pill mini color palette. I've never used any Sugar Pill eyeshadow, so I'm so excited. Look at it. Like, how cute is that? I think I'm only gonna focus on Level Up, the middle one, the pink, because I want to do another video on this using more colors. Look how cute the mirror is. Hi guys. Okay, so I did my eyeshadow and my wings. I have some bronzer on, and I want to do some blush right now. I'm using the Kat Von D Fetish palette. And I'm just gonna take that pink color. And I always put some on my nose. And the next thing we're gonna do is the Go Big or Go Home mascara. I'm gonna take my Morphe times Jeffree Star Strawberry setting spray. I've only used it like once, but I'm obsessed with it. I've never had a setting spray that has such a fine mist, so I was so excited when I tried it for the first time. I probably should have done my mascara after the setting spray, but whatever. Okay, so before that dries, I want to take the pink highlighter called Rose Shock. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Holy cow. You really need to wet this, like set your face and then put this on for it to come out looking like that. Holy cow. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'll be back in a few hours to see how the foundation held up. All I put over the foundation is the Estee Lauder Double Wear powder. So that's what I usually put over my foundation, besides baking with the Airspun loose powder. Let's see how this foundation holds up. Right now it feels really nice. It actually doesn't feel very heavy, so I think it's true when they say that it's lightweight. It honestly feels like it's just my skin, like I can move around. It doesn't feel very dry or anything. Right now it is 9:46, so I'll check back in soon. Hi guys, so it's the end of the night. I'm sorry the bathroom is so loud. It's currently that right now, and I'm so exhausted. It's actually crazy, but I was already starting to take off my makeup with a wipey, and then I was like, wow, I didn't even check in with them. So I actually went out clubbing, so I was sweating a lot, so I was just dabbing my face like this. I didn't use like a paper towel or anything. I was just dabbing it because it was so hot outside. But I don't know if you guys can see. This is a foundation, how it looks. Currently, I took a huge chunk off right here, but from what I can see in the mirror, like this whole side that I didn't try to wipe off right now, it actually stayed really nice. Obviously, I do have some texture and acne, but it didn't rub off at all. And I think my problem area is my nose, that it gets very oily. And if you look at it right now, it's not shiny. The only thing that's shiny is my highlight. I am obsessed with this foundation. If you have very oily skin and you want something that's quick and easy and you're not gonna have to bake your face for like 10 whole minutes in order to stay intact, I would really suggest getting this foundation. It comes out September 2nd online, and I think in stores as well. So if you guys are interested in this, like I said, I'll have all the information down below if you want to check it out. And I'll see you guys very